Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at something truly special, a Tudor Style Sunroom from Hommie. Tudor Style Sunrooms are all about charm and character. With their signature timber beams, leaded glass windows, and classic brickwork, they bring a touch of old-world elegance to any home. What sets Hommie apart? We offer factory direct customization, which means you get your sunroom exactly how you want it, without breaking the bank. Plus, our direct-to-doorstep shipping ensures you get the best price possible. Installation is a breeze. Just hire local workers to set it up, and you're good to go. With Hommie, you're not just adding a sunroom, you're creating a beautiful space that enhances your home's aesthetic and value. Thanks for joining us today. If you're dreaming of a Tudor-style sunroom, check out Hommie for the best deals and customization options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more home inspiration.